Hey everyone, today I want to take you on a tour not just of a home, but of an entire community, rising up in the East Mesa Apache Junction area. Framed by the beautiful Superstition Mountains, it's called Radiance at Superstition Vista, or sometimes called Superstition Radiance. Let me show you what makes this neighborhood so special, what's built, what's coming, and why it's one that you'll want to watch. Radiance sits on the border of Mesa and Apache Junction. It's anchored between Meridian and Ironwood and Ray and Warner. It is part of the Superstition Vista master plan. The master plan for the Superstition Vistas is massive. The site covers about 2,700 acres now, with plans to expand to 8,500 acres when fully built out. The overall community aims at having 10,000 single-family homes, along with schools, parks, commercial, public infrastructures. The entire area is being built over time, and Radiance is one of the first communities you'll see. Radiance offers a nice mix of floor plans, 1 and 2 stories from about 1,300 square feet to about 2,500. You'll see 3, 4, and even 5-bedroom options, and depending on the floor plan that you choose, you could even get that 3-car garage. Prices start in the low 400s and can go up from there depending on the upgrade, the lot size, and the elevation that you choose. Each home has modern features, open floor plans, smart home options, and energy-efficient touches that today's buyers want. Hi, I'm out here today at DR Horton, Superstition Radiance, and I have Will. They're all great with the models that they have, and incentives are always a fantastic deal. So I was going to let Will tell you about the one we're in right now.
So over here at Radiance, we actually just opened up 2 new model homes to tour to the public. Where we're standing in right now is going to be the larger of the 2. This plan is called our Kingston floor plan. This plan, super wide open concept when it comes to the kitchen living room area with super spacious bedrooms, including the primary and guest. This home is going to be a 4-bed, 2-bath layout at 2,051 square feet in total. And right next to us, we do have one of our smaller, more entry-level 3-bedroom homes as well, called our Caroline. 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,536 square feet, and both modeled absolutely gorgeously.
What I love about their models here is this is what you're buying.
Yes,
you're not having to go to design center to get the granite counters. So when you walk through here, you know if they tell us this price, this is what you're getting.
What you see is what you get. There's not going to be an extra $80,000 of add-ons tacked on at the end of your deal. Basically, we are advertising exactly as is.
Perfect. And they always have great interest rates going or other incentive.
DR Horton as a builder is always aiming to make the process as seamless and easy as possible. Whether it's coming down to buying down your interest rates or helping out and covering your closing costs, we aim to always have this process be as painless as possible.
Another fun fact, Will, what is your earnest money usually?
Our earnest money deposit right now as a standard is going to be $1,000 earnest money deposit, but we can even get that waived down to $500, especially in the case of our VA buyers.
They're fantastic. These houses look great out here. How many homes are going to be here when you're finished?
So this community is actually the 2nd largest community that DR Horton as a company has ever built. We are going to be the 2nd biggest just outside of our community in Austin, Texas, totaling in 5,000 homes in Radiance, all by DR Horton alone.
Yeah, and it's part of the Superstition Vista plan. So there's other builders out here, and that whole plan I think is going to have like 11,000 houses.
It's going to be a total between us and Blossom Rock, a total of 10,000 homes. We got 2 commercial areas bordering each side of Ironwood, and then between us and Blossom Rock, there are going to be 2 new charter schools going up in the community as well.
So if you're looking for a house, DM me, I can get you the details. They're super great about keeping me updated on what incentives they have going on, what interest rates you have going on,
Work very
what
closely.
Floor plans are available, all of those things. So I feel like I'm very much in the know of what's going on out here.
Twyla is your gal, especially when it comes to Radiance. She knows basically just as much as all of our sales team out here.
So let me know if we can help you out. Okay, this is where Radiance really stands out. This isn't just about houses, it's about a community. Radiance includes great amenities, parks, common areas, walking paths, and a clubhouse with a weight room and a gathering area. The highlight of this neighborhood is the pool area. A large pool with room to play, as well as lap lanes, cabanas around the pool, an outdoor kitchen, as well as deck chairs all around. If you have kids or grandkids, they will love the oversized splash pad and playgrounds. And one of my favorite things that shows a great community is the library book box. One of the major draws for the future residents, but also for future resale, is how much retail and commercial growth is headed to this corridor. At the intersection of Signal Butte and State Route 24, there's big mixed-use developments that are in motion. Think major retail, shopping centers, auto malls, and restaurants. The location allows for easy access to US 60, the 202, and 24. You are in Apache Junction, and you're literally minutes away from Mesa and Queen Creek. So to wrap it up, Radiance Superstition Vistas is a massive, ambitious community that combines desert tranquility and mountain views with real access to growth, infrastructure, schools, and retail. Homes from 3 to 5 bedrooms, many floor plans, strong amenity packages, and backdrops of the Superstition Mountains. The build-out is in progress. Some homes are ready, many are still to come, and the commercial side will only give value to the residents here. If you want a deeper dive, lot maps, phases and timings, prices of specific models, or how this fits into a broader East Mesa Apache Junction market, I'd love to walk you through it. Let's connect and I can bring you all the details.